recipe. So join me until the end of the video. Let's get started. And here are the ingredients. We have the squash or the kabocha, eggplant or nasu. We have also red bell pepper or paprika, finely chopped onion or tamanegi, and garlic or ninniko, also finely chopped. We have the beans, assorted beans or the mame, and we have also our tomato sauce. You can use a fresh tomato if you want, guys. And we are going to use this chicken cut into a bite size. And we have here the bay leaf and the chicken cube. And we're going to use the olive oil and the salt and pepper. So let's start cooking, guys. Okay. Yeah. Let's eat more vegetables. Okay. Okay, guys. Itadakimasu. Let's eat the squash. Yummy. And the eggplant. This is yummy, guys. The tomato sauce is very good. Perfect. perfect for the chicken. Yummy. And our beans. The healthy beans. We need the rice. I need the rice, guys. This is good. I hope that you like our recipe today. Just give it a try, guys. This is a healthy and easy recipe. And I hope to see you again on my next videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Matane. See you again.